Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open something new and fun. We are going to open the Potomac Bead Box Treasure Edition. So Potomac Beads in the previous years has put out two bead box. They've put out their best bead box and their XL, their best bead box XL. So they are replacing those with two boxes, the Best Bead Box Treasure Edition and the Best Bead Box Kit Edition. So I have got the Treasure Edition here, and this is what we're going to be opening today. What you can expect if you subscribe to these, the Treasure Edition, it is bigger than ever. It is good for, it was formerly the Best Bead Box, the regular one. The techniques used in this are stringing, weaving, and freeform. You can expect 10 to 20 different stash packs. So packs just to help your stash of beads, which is really cool. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, the same product in multiple colorways. 2 to 3 inspiration videos provided for each box. Premium stash beads, crystals, check glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. Hours of fun and inspiration. These are beginner friendly, which is nice. Past boxes, the treasure box, past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. There are 5 golden tickets each month, so they're sending out 5 golden tickets in these boxes, and if you get a golden ticket, you get a special prize. The monthly price for the Treasure Edition is $39.99. If you pay quarterly, you save $60 a year, and they're $34.99. Or if you pay annually, you save $120 a year, and they are $29.99. So that is the Treasure Edition. That's what I'm opening today. There is also the Kit Edition, and that is, it's bigger than ever. Again, it is bead weaving, stitching, and just bead weaving and stitching are the best techniques to use for it. It has 2 to 3 complete premium kits every month, including threaded needles, which is nice. There are patterns for the kit included. The premium kits include crystals, seed beads, premium metals, etc. The kits make excellent gifts. Yes, I would say so. Hours of fun and inspiration. They are beginner friendly. Every kit will be new, not available for on PotomacBeads.com. There will be no past boxes available, so the only way you can get the kits are through the subscription. Again, they're doing the golden tickets, 5 of each one in the kit editions. The monthly price is $59.99. If you want to pay quarterly, you can pay $54.99 a box and save $60 a year. And again, annually would be $49.99 and save $120 a year. So a couple of different things to note about these is the kit edition will only contain new kits, never a kit that already has existed on PotomacBeads.com. There will be 10 recipients of the golden tickets, again, 5 for each box. Let's see here. There were a couple other things I wanted to say. The products in some of these are exclusive to subscribers and not available on PotomacBeads.com, so that's interesting. And then new products to Potomac Beads, before they're available on PotomacBeads.com, will be available to subscribers sometimes and in some of these kits. Let's see here. And then you get a 50% discount or more on retail pricing. So these are really a good price point for, you get a good bang for your buck here. All right, so first of all, let's do our encouraging word. We forgot it. I forgot it. Say yes to new adventures. That's very fitting because this is a new adventure. I've worked with Potomac Beads before and they're fantastic, but I have not obviously done the treasure box. So let's get into this. So we've got this. I love these boxes too, by the way. These are so cool. This is a metallic little lid thing. I just love that. I think it's really cool. They're great for storing either your box in, or when you're done with your box, you can put other things in there. Okay, so we have the Potomac Bead Box Best Bead Box Treasure Edition, formerly the regular one. Again, these are the same things that we already went over. So, buried treasure box. Ooh, okay, so this one is buried treasure, and it features bright, beautiful copper tones, one-of-a-kind vintage check glass, and exotic shapes and colors. Create your own simple strung jewelry designs or create a detailed masterpiece. You can go to PotomacBeads.com/ideas and get ideas. So very cool. All right, let's see what we've got. We have some beautiful things in here, it looks like. Wow. All right. Okay, here we go on the back. I was looking for the identification key. Couldn't find it there. Okay, so the treasure subscription. We have got Potomac pearls in 4mm. I'm thinking that's these. 2 strands of Potomac pearls. We have another bag in here. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. Hold on just a second. Let me get this. Yeah, we do have another bag in here, and it's got things in it, too. So I was... There we go. Here's the Potomac pearls. Wow, I love the color. 4mm Potomac pearls. These are gorgeous. What color is this? Comet. Ooh, those are beautiful. Look at those. They are so shiny. Wow, really, really pretty. Comet. Gotta say, I love those. Really nice. Then we have a plated toggle, 13mm. That would be this. So this is premium antique copper plating toggle here. That's cute. It looks really pretty with this color. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. That's a really pretty little toggle, just simple. I like simple sometimes, not anything too extravagant there. It's nice. Okay, try to get that off the screen because my camera's trying to focus on everything. Then we have plated bales, 9mm. That's these, again, antique copper. These are nice. These are really nice. I like these because they're fairly big opening here, so you can put leather through them. You can do all kinds of different stuff with that. Multiple strands. So really pretty. Little copper bales. Very useful. Okay. Then we have plated ball pens. Oh, yay. I have been looking for copper ball head pens. Cannot find them anywhere. Copper ball head pens are rare. So these are awesome to get. They are 38mm. Oh, yay. I'm so excited. Yeah, those are hard to find. I have been looking and looking for quite a while now. Copper anything lately has been hard to find, it seems like. Those are nice. Potomac crystal rondelles, 3x4mm. Oh, that's these. These are pretty. There they are. Really pretty little faceted crystal clear rondelles. Nice. Great for spacers. Then we have Eva beads. That's these. Now, these are really cool. I would have called these chevron, but Eva. Those are, look at the colors. These are really pretty. I love this color palette here, all this together. Gosh, I'm going to have to figure out something really cool to do with these. They are super cool. Look at this. Yeah. That would make a really cool little pair of earrings. I don't know. We'll figure something out. These are really neat. I like those a whole lot. Eva beads. They're 2-holed as well. I don't know if I pointed that out. They are 2-hole beads. Really cool. We'll have fun with those. Check glass vintage button. Oh, this is pretty. These are really good for leather bracelets. Again, look how pretty this is. Or corded bracelets. That's really pretty. It's kind of black and gold. Ombre kind of look there. Has a shank on the back. All right. Let's see. Stainless steel beading wire, 7-strand. So look here. We have nylon coated stainless steel Potomac beads, 7-strand beading wire. Cool. That's really nice. Okay, so next we have Potomac crystal bicones, 4mm in a Montana blue. Montana blue is one of my favorite colors. I think it's so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous little 4mm bicones. The holes are very even. You can tell they're very well made. Okay, and then let's see what we have. We have check glass rounds, 3mm. That's these. These are so tiny. They kind of have an AB coating on, looks like, on some of them. And one of them, I think, is, I'm not sure. One might be 3mm and one, they look the same to me. So let's lay these right here a second. Then we have check glass faceted rounds. Okay, maybe that's the difference. One of these is faceted and one isn't. No, neither looks faceted to me. Okay, hold on a second. I'm trying to figure this out. I guess these would be the faceted rounds. Okay, so check glass faceted rounds, 7mm. That's these. These are beautiful. Look at those. They almost look like they have a fiber optic kind of quality inside of them. They're very, very pretty. All right. And then we have check glass smooth rounds in 4mm. I think that's these. Really pretty color, almost like the Bermuda blue or Capri blue color. It's really pretty. And then we have check nuggets, 5 to 7mm. That's these. These are really cool. Look at them. They remind me of little planets for some reason. I don't know why, but they're really cool. Beautiful blue. And then we have check leaves. Now these are fun. These are going to be fun to work with. I love that they are not briolette drilled. I do not like briolette drilled at all. These are drilled. You can put a jump ring straight through them. I've already got an idea for what I want to do with these. They are etched front and back with a silver finish. Really, really beautiful. These are going to be fun to work with. Then we have a space saver jar. This is really nice that they send this. So these are, it's 2 strands of just little 3mm rounds. Okay, I just want to make sure I wasn't missing something. Space saver jar. This is really nice. These are great for storing your extra little beads in, little leftover bits. So that's great. And then a PBC, Potomac Beads Company, white logo bag. This is cool. You can never have too many bags. So there it is. I love their logo. Turn it right side up. There we go. All right. So that is the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition bead box. And I have got to say, it is really cool. I'm so excited to work with this stuff. So thanks guys for watching. I will link all the information in the description box below. I think my favorite things out of this box are the leaves here and these pearls. I think these and the Montana blue bicones are going to be so pretty together, maybe mixed in with some of these as well. It's all beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we're going to have a lot of fun working with this. But yeah, stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I upload the tutorials that I'm going to do with these products. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.